Want to store multiple values in just one variable? In Python, that's super easy with lists. Let's dive into one of the most powerful and commonly used data types in Python. What is a list? A list in Python is a collection that is ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate values. You define a list using square brackets like this. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print fruits. This will output apple, banana, cherry. Accessing list items. You can access items in a list using their index. Remember, indexing starts at 0. Python. Copy. Edit. Print fruits 0, apple. Print fruits -1, cherry, last item. You can also use negative indexing to get the last item. Looping through a list. To print each item in a list, use a simple for loop. Python. Copy. Edit. For fruit in fruits. Print fruit. Check if item exists. You can check if an item exists in a list using the in keyword. Python. Copy. Edit. If banana in fruits. Print yes, banana is in the list. List methods. Lists come with many useful methods. Let's see some common ones. Append adds to end. Python. Copy. Edit. Fruits.append orange. Insert at specific position. Python. Copy. Edit. Fruits.insert 1 mango. Remove deletes by value. Python. Copy. Edit. Fruits.remove banana. Pop removes last item. Python. Copy. Edit. Fruits.pop. Sorts the list. Python. Copy. Edit. Fruits.sort. These make working with lists fast and flexible. Different data types in a list. A list can hold any type of value, even mixed types. Python. Copy. Edit. Mix is equal to apple 1, 3.14 true. Print mix. List comprehension. Want a faster way to create lists? Use list comprehension. Python. Copy. Edit. Squares is equal to x asterisk x for x in range 5. Print squares. This creates a list of squares from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Let's recap. Lists are ordered and can be changed. Use square brackets to define. Access with indexing. Loop, modify, and sort using built-in methods. List comprehension makes it powerful. In the next video, we'll explore tuples, another important data type in Python. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with this full Python course.